We recognize the important role that the OECD has been making in terms of, number one, helping us make informed decision through your data-driven approach. And then second, and very important, has been the role of OECD as a platform, as a sounding board, and as a convener. That for us is very important as we are looking to partnerships to be able to develop our critical minerals. In the Philippines, we were able to, last year, pass a law on the new fiscal mining regime. This provides very transparent and fair sharing of the revenues coming out of mining from the investors, national government, local communities, indigenous communities. The sharing is transparent, and importantly, the timing when this will be disbursed to the entities is transparent and set by law. We will be issuing an executive order that has been drafted, a whole-of-government approach led by our Department of Environment and Natural Resources that would cut down permitting time from 11 years to 11 months. Very important, without cutting on our compliance and importance that we are giving to environmental standards and to labor standards, to ESG.